going on, everybody? Bones here with CajunRNewBBQ. Today we're doing up an Italian classic, chicken parmesan. Was gonna try to do some veal parmesan, but well, when I opened up the package from Winn-Dixie, the meat was bad. Nothing worse for cooking than getting you some bad meat from a grocery store. There's always worse things in life for other stuff, but well, for cooking, there's nothing more worse than getting some bad meat. So what happens when that happens? You overcome, improvise, and adapt to the situation, just like the Marines do. So, we went ahead and changed up what we were going to do. Instead of veal parmesan, we're doing chicken parmesan. So, another Italian classic. Just change it up. That's what you do with cooking. Ain't got something? Change it up. Italians do it. Cajuns do it. That's what we do. So today, that's what we're going to do. Stick around. We're going to get right to it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and begin. In the interest of saving you time to not watch me boil some water, I went ahead and started the boiling of the water. It is boiled now. So, we're going to go ahead and move on. The water is boiled. I did salt the water before we went ahead and started it. Now, I know this step will make half the population feel okay, the other half the population not okay. It will make some Italian grandmothers cry. We will crack the spaghetti in half. I know. Sacrilege to half the population. I am boiling the entire pound of spaghetti. So, we will do this for the required 7 to 9 minutes. If you want to go ahead and cook longer or shorter, depending on your taste of how you want to do the spaghetti, go ahead and do that. All depends on you. You do you, boo. So, go ahead, let the spaghetti boil, and we'll be back at the end of this. Alright, the pasta is now done. I'm going to go ahead and check a strand real quick. Let them cool off for a second. Oh yeah, we done. So, going to go ahead and drain this real quick. Let them cool off for a minute. Now, we're going to go ahead and move on to breading and frying up these chicken cutlets. I've got about a cup and a half worth of flour here in the bowl. We're going to go ahead and add in about half a cup to a cup worth of breadcrumbs. We're also going to add in, I'm going to make them a little cheesy now. We're going to go ahead and add in about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of some Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to go ahead and add in some S&S Signature Series. That's the all-purpose rub. It's got some salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of onion powder, with some paprika. Do about 2 to 3 tablespoons of that. We're also going to add in some Italian seasoning. It's got some sage, rosemary, some thyme. About a tablespoon worth in there. Now we're going to go ahead and mix this all up. As the family of geese are not happy we are having a lot of dump trucks and some log trucks come past as that season is starting to ramp back up again around here. So all that's done. I do have an egg wash that I've already prepared. It's just 4 eggs that I've cracked and scrambled real quick. Now, I have my chicken. I've already pre-cut it because these chicken breasts were like industrial size. I don't know where they made these chickens at, but they were like twice the size of a normal chicken breast. So we're going to go ahead and egg wash these chickens, and we're going to go ahead and put them in the flour mixture. Now, I've got my pan over here set to about medium to medium high. It is on a slant, so that's what happens when you have uneven ground over here. Let that oil come up to temp just a little bit. I am using some olive oil. Let that come up to temp real quick. Gonna go ahead and bread up another one real quick. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put one of those right in the oil and throw a second one on. I'd rather have more flour than needed, but hey, it is what it is. Go ahead and take off one of the gloves, throw it in my trash can. Gonna go ahead and let them fry up real quick. Alright, these chickens are now done. We're gonna go ahead and pull them off the pan and get started on our next set. I won't make you sit through the next set. Now, we're gonna go ahead and begin building our dish. So, we're gonna go ahead and begin spraying our 9x13 Pyrex dish. Go ahead and grab you some of your noodles. I do have gloves on, so you can use your spoons. Now go ahead and pour in some sauce. Go ahead and top it on with some more noodles. Now, if you have mozzarella cheese, go ahead and do that. Shredded is best, or you can go ahead and use slices. All the stores in my area, we're out. Gotta love this new economy. I have provolone cheese, just as good. Go ahead and throw down some more sauce. Take your chicken. Put it on top. Grab some more cheese. Like I said, shredded is best. But I have provolone. Get your smoker set up to 300 degrees. And put it on the smoker for 30 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on the grill now since it's ready. Remember, 300 degrees for 30 minutes. All right, it's been 30 minutes. So this looks beautiful. Just look at that. We're gonna go ahead and pull this off the smoker, let it rest for a minute so I don't burn my mouth. All right, and we're done. The dish looks amazing. Can't go wrong with doing it this way, folks. You can cook a lot of food at one time. Beautiful dish. Let's go ahead and dig in real quick. Let's go ahead and cut off a piece of this chicken. Oh yeah, beautifully cooked. Look at that. Oh yeah, folks. Nice crunch on that chicken. Nice seasoning base. Cheese perfectly done. Beautiful. Let's go in for some of that noodles. Those spaghetti noodles. While Captain and Big Boy are unhappy, they live unhappy. They never happy. Even if they got a clean pool, lots of food, nice shelter that I built for them years ago, they still unhappy. They'll be happy when they get cooked one day. I hate those geese. Rest of the geese, except for 2 other ones, they're alright. Those 2, I'll cook them one day. Let's go ahead. Top notch, folks. Noodles perfectly cooked. That ragu sauce that we put on there, nicely seasoned. Big Boy and Captain, still unhappy. Mayor just got unhappy because they walked away from her. They're kind of in a love triangle, folks. Valentine's Day. Side chick. It is what it is, folks. It is what it is. Big Boy's not going to get her a Valentine's present. What a shame. If you like what I'm doing, folks, it is what it is. You know what to do.